Ever wondered why some businesses seem to crack the Instagram code while others struggle to gain traction? Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of Instagram marketing, exploring expert strategies for maximizing your business outreach. Chapter 1 is all about crafting an irresistible profile. This begins with optimizing your Instagram bio with relevant keywords and a clear call to action. A compelling profile picture that represents your brand is also key. The overall look of your feed matters too. It should be visually appealing and consistently reflect your brand. Don't forget to utilize Instagram highlights to showcase important content and promotions. Moving on to Chapter 2, we're talking about creating engaging content. Instagram is all about high-quality visuals. The platform offers various content formats like photos, videos, carousels, and reels. Don't be afraid to experiment with these. Storytelling and authenticity are also crucial to connect with your audience on a deeper level. And remember, user-generated content can significantly boost community engagement and trust. Chapter 3 focuses on leveraging Instagram stories and reels. These features help drive engagement and create a sense of urgency. They also provide interactive elements like polls, questions, and quizzes. Reels can be used to showcase your products or services in a creative and entertaining way. And don't overlook the power of collaborations. Instagram stories takeovers with influencers or partners can significantly expand your reach. In Chapter 4, we delve into building a strong community. This involves engaging with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Hosting Instagram live sessions can help you connect with your followers in real time. Encouraging user-generated content through branded hashtags and contests is another great strategy. And for a deeper connection with your most engaged followers, consider creating Instagram groups or utilizing DM groups. Chapter 5 is all about leveraging Instagram shopping. This feature allows you to set up an Instagram shop to showcase your products and facilitate seamless shopping experiences. Tagging products in your posts and stories can drive traffic to your online store. Shoppable posts and product stickers can encourage impulse purchases. And don't forget to analyze shopping insights to understand your audience's purchasing behavior and preferences. Chapter 6 covers harnessing the power of Instagram advertising. Instagram ads can help you reach specific audience segments and drive conversions. There are different ad formats to experiment with, such as photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, and story ads. You can target custom audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. And of course, monitoring ad performance and optimizing campaigns for maximum ROI is crucial. Lastly, in Chapter 7, we discuss measuring success and iterating strategies. Key performance metrics like engagement rate, reach, impressions, and conversion rate are important to track. Instagram Insights can provide valuable information about your audience demographics and behavior. Based on these data-driven insights, you can refine your Instagram marketing strategy. And always stay informed about the latest Instagram updates and features to stay ahead of the competition. To sum it up, maximizing Instagram as a social media business marketing platform requires a blend of creativity, strategy, and data-driven decision-making. By crafting an irresistible profile, creating engaging content, leveraging Instagram stories and reels, building a strong community, utilizing Instagram shopping, harnessing Instagram advertising, and measuring success, you can truly master Instagram marketing. So go ahead, implement these strategies, and watch your business grow.